good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. Ito po si Marilyn with all my ubans here. Together with me is the wheelbarrow. And asawa ko na napakagwapo. So ito na po yung resulta ng ating makeup for the day. O, diba? Yeah, I know. Wheelbarrow kasi magkakakarpentera kami after. But anyway, you're going to bring me to the house later after.
But you're staying, I think, right?
Huh?
You staying? Otherwise, we're gonna go back.
That's okay. And then, ano pa ba? Yeah, punta kami sa doctor's office. So, yung ano ko, yung makeup palette ko ngayon is parang ano ba, natural lang na wala lang ka arte-arte. Kasi it's still daytime and so we have to wear like a natural nude makeup palette na parang ano lang ba, wala lang nagawa na hindi napaka-heavy dahil hindi naman tayo pupuntang party tapos punta lang tayo sa doktor kasi magpa-doktor tayo para naman hindi halata na may sakit tayo, di ba? So ito lang po yung get up natin ngayon. So see you later.
Any other symptoms?
Other than coughing, I have low-grade fever on and off.
You are checked in, but we will need you to wear a mask.
Okay.
They're on the shelf over there.
Mask.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You can have a seat.
All right, thank you. Sayang makeup ko. Excuse me. So, ito yung doctor's office ko. Ang laki-laki. And if you have kids, pwede silang maglaro doon. Yan. At saka may TV sila. Dalawang TV dyan. I think ganito din sa Pilipinas. I think the setup is still the same in the Philippines, like their health care system, offices, like is catching up. It's like this one too, at least in the big cities. It was long time ago. Ang mga uban ba? Alam niyo guys before, what's that?
November.
Really? Oh.
We were just setting up the.
Grabe, klaro
We
yung...
haven't hooked up yet.
Yes, hi. Can you come with me? Come on. Good, thank you. Okay. Oh, look at this, so cute. Promise, I was only 145.
At home?
My coat is so
Yeah.
heavy.
People say that a lot. A lot of people tell me it's 10 pounds different.
Oh yeah?
Like, I don't know if it's 10 pounds, maybe 5, 6. Alright.
Yeah, all I know is that every time I come here, like, my weight is increasing.
Yeah.
Ooh, I love your nails. It's pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, ito yung examination room natin. Kanina, waiting room lang. Tapos, yan. Alright. Yay, chocolate galore. $2.50 itong isa, guys. Tapos, malapit na siyang mag-expire. So, na-sale na lang nila ng 48 cents ata. So, ang daming kinuha ko. And then, this is going to be our dinner for tonight. Yan yung sa akin. And yan yung kay Corey. So tired. 1, 2, 3 floral arrangements. This one is only good. I don't know how much is this. They don't have a price. Yeah, this is nice for spring decor. This can be a centerpiece for your dining table, for your soup. And then with matching bunnies and a spring plate. But you have to put your bunny napkin on top of the bigger plate and then under the smaller plate or the bowl. And then we have a little
Those are
treat
cookies.
for everybody.
They're
Chocolate.
pralines.
Ta-da! And then your lovely wife would sit down and would enjoy her tea time with the beautiful flower that you have prepared for her.
In the beauty of the warehouse. Right. Huh?
Oh, here's another one. This is a table napkin. Or what do you call this one? Yeah, table napkin, right?
Placemat.
Placemat. So this is a placemat. And then, so it is very necessary that even if you are 19 years married already, that you still prepare your wife some perks. You know, perks of being married to you. So you prepare her breakfast or lunch or tea time, and focus on me. And this is how you're going to do it. Okay? Gentlemen out there, make your wives happy. Not only when they were still your girlfriends, but even after being married for 100 years, you still treat her like a princess. Alright? Isn't my presentation beautiful?
Look at how nice that though.
Na-remember ko ito nung I think I was in 4th grade, grade 4, elementary. Tapos, nag-attend ako ng Girl Scout and then we had an overnight or 2 nights of camping at our school ground. Ang enjoy talaga. Gusto kong bumalik sa panahon na yun. Kasi ngayon, tingnan nyo, gulang na ako. Gusto kong bumalik ng grade 4. Joke. So, after eating at IKEA, ayun, nag-shopping na naman kami. Pero ito, kailangan ito kasi yung new namin, pots namin ay mga non-stick. So, kailangan ito yung mga gagamitin. If not, yung rubbers. So, para hindi matanggal yung non-stick na mga chemicals doon. And then, meet Roberto. Yan, padala ko sa Hawaiian kasi yung great granddaughter ko ay kapanganak lang last January, I think. So, tingnan nyo si Roberta. Ano ka, Roberto? Babae, lalaki? Can I see? Wala siyang gender. Padala ko yan sa Hawaii. Parang gift dun sa pinakabagong great granddaughter ko. Alam niyo naman, kahit na hindi tayo senior citizen, may great na tayo kasi kaapu-apuhan sa tuhod. Kasi yung ama ko ay may mga anak na siya at medyo matanda na siya. Mama, ha? Yes, please. So, yun. My mama was 21 and my papa was 61. So, parang 40 years yung age gap niya. May mga apo at kaapu-apuhan na siya nung nag-asawa sila ng mama ko. Kasi yung mama ko was anong nangyari? Yung mama ko kasi was what do you call this one? Second wife kasi nabalo na siya nung na-meet nyo yung mama ko. So, yun. Kaya, ang dami kong mga great grandchildren kasi may apo na, as what I've said earlier, may apo na yung papa ko before they got married sa mama ko. So, yun. Yan, punta kang Hawaii ha. Ingat ka sa biyahe.